973 days till a new high. Crypto fear and greed index is at 46%, which is fear. And Bitcoin is currently trading above our 45.5k support area. Finally, we got rejected. It's pretty significant area. It used to be a pretty significant support area, and obviously it's currently working as a nice support area for after a correction that we had. So currently we're trading at a 46.6k, which is pretty nice. At least we are not dumping more. Currently trading below MA ribbon on a 4-hour time frame, but inside of MA ribbon on a daily time frame. Also on a daily time frame, there's a 1k dollars gap between 50 to 100 MA till the golden cross, obviously, and maybe in 2-3 days, if with the current growth, we may see a golden cross, which would be obviously a bullish indicator. Maybe after that we can see some small pump. Obviously MACD is looking negative on a daily time frame. 4-hour time frame is kind of neutral. Weekly time frame is still in the green, but you can see some curves to the downside on a MACD. RSI is kind of neutral on a weekly, daily, and kind of 4-hour time frame. It's kind of neutral actually. So yeah, that's pretty much it. In general, Bitcoin is currently looking neutral, consolidating, at least bouncing from a support, which is pretty nice, but we'll see what's gonna happen next in the future. So yeah, let's move on to the news, what we got today, and start with the Ukraine. Ukraine adopts law on virtual assets to regulate crypto market. So this law, which is called on virtual assets, recognize crypto as intangible goods while denying them the status of legal tender, but again making the small steps. Maybe in the future there will be a legal tender, so we'll see. Also regulates the activities and obligation of crypto businesses, so now you can use crypto for the business purposes. You can also pay taxes from crypto gains, which would technically make those gains clean, and you can transfer between countries for the investment purposes, like in investing in businesses, real estate, in different countries, without being asked where that money come from. Like you get the point. So yeah, that's kind of positive news. Also, we got some interesting news from top Finico crypto pyramid. Executive of this pyramid was arrested in Russia's Tatarstan. So I think it's a pretty good news, because the less criminals we got in our crypto space, the less fight we would have for the long term. So yeah, it's pretty good actually. So yeah, it's actually all news for today. Not a lot. Same as the TA, not a lot TA. Interesting TAs happening in Bitcoin. Also in a general picture, you can see we are forming this triangle-ish channel. Oh my god. What did I draw? Triangle-ish channel from beginning of the rise, which would be a support from the beginning of the rise, to the bottom of the correction that we had. From the resistance would be from the all-time high and the current 77% pump that we had from after a bottom of a correction. So it's kind of, you can see we're having this interesting triangle channel. So maybe in the future we'll see some actions or volume close to those areas. So yeah, so also paying attention to this triangle channel right now. So yeah, that's pretty much all TA news for today. You can follow us on Twitter. Also found some interesting meme about adoption. Like at the beginning nobody was using Bitcoin, then only speculators was using Bitcoin. Now only small countries is using Bitcoin, and in the future we'll see only small planets using Bitcoin. So yeah, it's pretty nice. So yeah, you can follow us on Twitter, YouTube, any podcast platform that is available out there. And yeah, obviously, to the moon.